Yo, 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 what up, DZ fam? Good afternoon. Friday vibes, y'all. All right, let's see if BTC held. Okay, yo, guys. Big news. Crypto decoupling. Crypto decoupling, baby. Bitcoin holding up while the market crashes. This is exactly what I wanted to see. Bitcoin holding 100,000 key level while SPY making lower lows. Let's go. GameStop is now pushing back to the upside while AMC dumps to new lows. What is happening? What is happening? Also, GameStop or AMC made a gap fill to the upside. Meme stock should bounce. Meme stock should bounce. This shit's getting crazy, guys. We're seeing lots of volatility in the markets. Things are about to get wild. My only dream is if the AMC would not get the yes vote, but if AMC had more time, bro, we could literally squeeze. All we ever needed was time, bro, without dilution. We just need to go like 6 months, a year without dilution. I think every year we dilute, basically. If we go like a year without dilution, a year and some change, we would have squeezed, bruh. But every year they get dilution and kick the can down the road using this dilution. So things are looking good, man. Things are looking good. Meme stocks should come back up, man. GameStop's getting a bounce. I don't think GameStop loses $20 in my personal opinion. There's a ton of buy orders. I showed you guys all the buy orders in yesterday's video. But guys, the market crash is getting bad. The market crash is getting bad. SPY is now down 4% from the top. And I told you guys we could see a 10 to 20% correction. The Paint Kings, Jackson, what up? AMC cost to borrow rising. Let's see if those buy orders are still there for GameStop. Hopefully they are. Yes, lots of buy orders. Lots of buy orders. Lots of buy orders. And we're getting the bounce like I said we would in yesterday's video. Yo, Bitcoin might be setting up for a break to the upside. Is AMC a dead cat? They're gonna, listen, I know exactly what's going on with the AMC guys. They're trying to keep it down before December 10th. AMC, remember, AMC got a rally here in after hours. They shorted us down and it got a rally here. It started getting some momentum here and they shorted us down. Now the problem is we also rejected from this trend line. We rejected from this trend line 2 times. So you guys can see we rejected from here and we kind of rejected from it here as well. Here and here. So that's a problem. And that's why we're continuing down. Unless we break above this yellow line, that's when recovery happens. They're going to try to keep pushing AMC down, 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 down until December 10th. If they can keep AMC down until December 10th and then they get the yes vote, they'll be able to push it down past $1 and then reverse split it. So this is why they're trying to get it as low as possible before December 10th. Yo, Bitcoin really might, if I'm telling you guys, if you see SPY start to crash and Bitcoin stays up, if you see Bitcoin stay above 100K while SPY crashes, this is what I talked about for so many years. Where I said there could come a time where the market starts to crash, but BTC does not. It pulls back initially, like I said it would, but then it decouples. We gotta keep watching it though. If Bitcoin can hold 100K, we're Gucci. I had some haters in the comments yesterday praying for Bitcoin's downfall because they know I'm long. Little did they know, 6x, bro. 6x, fuck with me. It's not like I was greedy. I told everybody if you buy Bitcoin under 28,000, you're gonna be up. I told everyone that. I put my analysis out there. I share my analysis. I share my wealth. I share with the DZ fam. I share with the world. The reason why they're not letting AMC rally because they know people will sell. Guys, think about it. If you're a short seller and you need exit liquidity for when after the they get the dilution and they kick the can down the road, the hedge funds are going to need liquidity, right? They already know all the apes will sell if AMC runs up. They already know we will. So that's why they're not letting AMC run before December 10th. Because they know that all the apes will exit. And then who's going to be exit liquidity? Who's going to be liquidity if everybody's out of AMC? So that's why they're not trying to let AMC run. And plus, if they let AMC run before December 10th, then they're in danger of a fucking potentially things getting out of control right before they can kick the can down the road. And notice AMC cost to borrow is starting to go up because liquidity is drying up in the background. As soon as they get those shares, they'll have liquidity. This is what the yes voters don't understand. All right, guys, I didn't want to bring this up, but I have to. I need to watch this later. Stream doesn't end until I lock on Serpentine Camel with knives only. That's insane. That is one hell of a stream, Cross. You know, I'm just gonna like the stream just cuz, bro. I'm gonna pop a like on there real quick, bro. That's one hell of a stream. How long has he been live? 3 hours? It's gonna take way longer than that, brother. Good luck, brother. Good luck. Great idea for a stream.
I have it, right?
Yo, fam, what is up?
White tee looking fresh. All right, guys, so the black community is why they're delaying the whole thing. They know majority of the blacks are in the stock. What, bro? What? Hold on, what? That sounds crazy, bro. I never play victim like that. Right here, your favorite boy Lottery Stocks said he's voting yes to AMC dilution. Your boy Lottery Stock said vote. He said he's voting yes to AMC dilution. Your favorite boy Lottery Stock said he's voting yes to AMC dilution. Oh my God, you can't be serious. You're trolling me, right? Adam Aaron got to him, LOL. This is crazy. Why would he do that? So, bro, this guy, Lottery Stock said he's voting yes, bruh. What do you guys think about that? Let me know in the comments down below. AMC YouTubers are getting play. They know they won't contact me, bro, because they already know that I will take. If Adam Aaron or anybody ever messaged me, I would take the emails and show them on screen for views. And I will say the video will be like, I just literally exposed Adam Aaron as a shill buyer or something. I'll come up with a crazy title about how Adam Aaron tried to solicit me to shill to you guys. Bro, Bitcoin decoupling, bro. Bitcoin trying to go green while the market red, baby. ADA up 6%. Nice. Almost 7%. Look at ADA. Yo, look at ADA. Hold up. AMC down 6% is crazy, dude. Guys, type a 1 in the chat if I should make a type a 1 in the chat if I should put lottery stocks on the thumbnail. Type a 1 in the chat if I should put lottery stocks on the thumbnail. Cupid, no. All right, I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna do it. I'm gonna make a new thumbnail. Yes, it looks like crypto decoupling. I love it. I love it too, brother. I love it too. It could be the long-awaiting decoupling that I've been waiting for. I'm putting them on the thumbnail, guys. I'm putting them on the thumbnail. All right, AMC coming back. If AMC can get back above 250, I mean, we could get back in the game. We also have this gap fill up here to the upside. Bitcoin green. Market red. All right, new thumbnail coming up. New thumbnail coming up. AMC YouTubers expose themselves. Hey, hey. They know to never hit me up because I'll just straight expose them. So they know not to hit me up. I'll take the email. They already know I'll take the emails and show everybody. You better never hit my email with that bullshit. They already know, bruh. They better never hit my fucking line with that bullshit. I will expose them so fast their heads will spin. All right, guys, let me know what you think of the new thumbnail. Misty Blue, what up? AMC coming back. AMC coming back. I want to see some rockets in the chat. I want to see some rockets in the chat. I want to see AMC give some love. SQQQ almost at $15, guys. This is major. Yo, who has SQQQ right now? Is anybody in SQQQ? Yo, Bitcoin. BTC double bottom. BTC's about to have a double bottom, y'all. Bottom one, bottom two. BTC double bottom. BTC double bottom. Rockets in the chat for BTC. Rockets in the chat for BTC. BTC double bottom in play. Crypto decoupling from the stupid market. This is what I love to see. Hitman, what up? Long-time supporter, man. I appreciate you. We got over 1,000 views on yesterday's. Friday vibes. Bro exposed himself. So if you guys are just tuning in, Lottery Stocks said that he is voting yes to AMC dilution. Bitcoin is potentially double bottoming. Bottom one, bottom two. While SPY melts, NASDAQ is down another 1.5% after being down over 1% yesterday as well. Over 1.90% yesterday. We're down another 1.5%. NASDAQ melting to the downside, ladies and gentlemen. Literally melting to the downside. Oh, there is a little gap there. Now there's only gap fills to the upside. We might get a little bit of a recovery bounce before this crash continues. ETH is bouncing off this macro accumulation. I want to get rid of this just so I can see better. But ETH is bouncing off of this macro accumulation right now. And if it does, it could get a nice spring to the upside. Cardano ADA's up over 8%. ADA looking kind of nasty right now, y'all, to be honest with y'all. Nah, bro, if you do SPY puts now, you'll get toasted. AMC, you want to see back above 245. AMC's definitely setting up for a move. You see how tight the bands are? 10-minute green. AMC's going to push up. SPY is also going to push up. So if Bitcoin can break above 104.5, if BTC can break above $104,500 and hold, what up, Dexter? What up, bro? Catch me, YouTube. What's up, brother? Thank you for always commenting, man. I appreciate you. We got 76 people in the building. We need more likes. We need more likes. Guys, remember, the dude yesterday said all I care about is likes and super chats. Yeah, I share all of my analysis for free. GameStop, let's go, 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 go. What's XRP doing? Let's find out. XRP 232. XRP 232. Yo, 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 what up, everybody? Make sure you guys hit that like button, subscribe, hit that like button, subscribe. Bitcoin potentially decoupling lottery stocks is selling out. If you guys didn't hear, lottery stocks voted yes, guys. Lottery stocks voted yes. I heard through the grapevine. I don't watch any other YouTubers, but you guys make sure I hear everything. And I heard through the grapevine that lottery, I don't have no problem with him, just so everybody knows. I don't have a problem with him, but I do have a problem with people voting yes. Well, I guess I don't, because people are going to do what they're going to do, but you ruined my play. Vote no. Dilution. If AMC squeezes Adam, Aaron will have all the money he needs to pay off debt. I know. That's what people who think logically, bro. That's for people who think logically. Instead, the yes voters are like, hold on, we'll just make the price go lower and lower and lower. And then I don't know what their plan is. I don't fucking know. My plan is to squeeze AMC, then sell shares. Adam Aaron clearly doesn't want a short squeeze. Bitcoin potentially decoupling. Bitcoin new intraday high, 102,800. Adam lottery stock said he voted yes. Should I try to find the video? I'll try to find the video. I can't find it, but he said
American Airlines.
3 of the biggest U.S. airlines that cancel hundreds of flights. He said he voted yes.
JK, really?
I heard through the grapevine. It was yesterday. Bro talking about Bitcoin like, bro copies my exact style. He talks about SPY, Bitcoin. Bro copies my exact style, bro. This is crazy. They took my whole flow, bar for bar. How do you know he's rich?
Time to pull a lot of rabbits out of the hat as the buck the bunny here. I don't think is completely bullish. Time to pull a lot of rabbits out of the hat as the sort of crash or collapse. AMC's down 7% on the highs as if everyone's looking at some of the 10. It's pretty interesting. We saw those American flags. We saw the White House tweet on GameStop. Now you're seeing the eyes as if everyone's looking, and we're kind of seeing a meltdown. It looks like we are about to see some sort of crash or collapse. AMC's down 7% on the day. GameStop is flat on the day, but we are seeing some sort of crash, or correction coming on the market, which is also interesting as well. Or is that a boom after a meltdown? Overall, let me know your thoughts in the comments.
I didn't hear anything about voting yes yet, guys.
Those American flags. We saw the White House tweet on GameStop. Now you're seeing the eyes as if everyone's looking, and we're kind of seeing a meltdown. It looks like we are about to see some sort of crash or collapse. AMC's down 7% on the day. GameStop is flat on the day, but we are seeing some sort of crash or correction coming on the market, which is also interesting as well. Or is that a boom after a meltdown? Overall, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Guys, don't forget to follow me on X. I never really asked for it. We should have at least 4,000 followers. We have 3,600 over here. Make sure to go follow me. My handle is Lottery Stocks Cap.
No free promo on my shit. Guys, show me where the clip. I need the clip of where he said he's voting yes. I need the clip. Is it confirmed that Lottery Stocks voted yes? AAL is American Airlines, right? Who voted yes? Lottery Stocks. That's what we're trying to figure out. You need to go to your email right now. You should have got your information already. I already voted. I voted days ago. I voted days ago. We're at 2,221 X followers, guys. Thank you. We got more X followers. $107 people in the building. This is Adam Aaron's favorite price for AMC stock. $21.50 GameStop stock right now, $21.50. SPY getting a bounce as expected, guys. SPY getting a bounce as expected. Yeah, altcoins are taking off. This is crazy. What if we start going in the altcoin season? Cardano ADA's up 8%. Something's going on. Dogecoin's up almost 10%. Altcoins are flying. Dude, look at this. Filecoin up 129%. XLM up 8%. ADA up 11%. Algorand up 17%. What is happening? XTZ up 18%. All right, SPY's holding support. SPY's holding support. 665.03 support for SPY. Crypto's decoupling. It's baby. Maybe. We got 107 people in the building right now. We got 107 people in the building right now. Make sure you guys hit that like button and subscribe if you haven't. Hit the like button and subscribe. We're sitting at 16,518 subscribers. I appreciate you guys for that. 16,518. Thank you, Andrew. I appreciate it. Thank you, Andrew. I appreciate that. Yeah, ETH is at 3,400. Look at ETH, bro. Just climbing, climbing, climbing. Cardano, ADA climbing. Like, whoa. Bitcoin potential double bottom. And all while the market's crashing. Love to see it. Love to see it. Wow, lottery stocks even draws lines like I do to show price. This guy is a straight copycat. He even draws lines the same way I do to show which way price is going. Bro, just say you copied my flow without saying you copied my flow.
Nope.
Bro said he voted yes.
It's like we are about to see some sort of crash, or now you're seeing the eyes as if everyone's looking at some of the tin. It's pretty interesting. We saw those American flags. We saw the White House tweet on GameStop. Now you're seeing the eyes as if everyone's looking, and we're kind of seeing a meltdown. It looks like we are about to see some sort of crash or collapse.
What are you even talking about?
On the day.
Are you even giving
GameStop
predictions?
is flat on the day, but we are seeing some sort of crash, some sort of crash or correction coming on the market, which is also interesting as well. Or is that a boom after a meltdown? Overall, let me know your thoughts in the comments down below. Guys, don't forget to follow me on X. I never really asked for it.
I still didn't hear him officially say that he voted yes, though. So I need to confirm. But I heard through the grapevine, all right? So this is all I know for sure until somebody shows me a clip. This is all I know for sure. Peter77 let me know that Your favorite boy lottery stock says he's voting yes to AMC dilution. Now, you guys already know my stance on this. I'm voting no. I'm voting no. We have over 100 votes that say most likely AMC will not rally or squeeze if we get another 550 million shares. I voted no. You guys all know how I feel about this. You should be able to vote now, guys. Check your brokers. All right, check your brokers. Make sure that you have a control number. If you do not have a control number, your vote does not count. All right, make sure you have a control number. Thank you guys for the likes and the retweets. I appreciate that. Is there any hope for AMC and GME? There is, but as soon as AMC gets the yes vote, I'm sorry. To keep it 150 with you, there's probably no hope after that yes vote. Because as soon as we get the yes vote, I guarantee he'll dilute less than a month later. He'll probably dilute right away as soon as he gets the yes vote. And as soon as we get the yes vote, price will drop just off of that alone. Because everybody knows 550 million shares got approved. So and this is what's gonna be so funny. This is what's gonna be so funny for all the people that voted yes. This is what's gonna be so hilarious. Is that I bet you as soon as the yes vote comes in, I bet you AMC starts to dump, bro. I bet you. AMC starts to dump as soon as that yes vote comes in. I bet you AMC's price starts tanking. Thanks for the info, buddy. I appreciate you. Yeah, man. As soon as we get the yes vote, I bet your price starts to go down. That's what's going to be so funny. They're all going to be so happy they got the yes vote and watch price just tank as soon as it happens. Guys, we got shills out here, man. We need you to stop these yes votes. We need you to stop these yes votes. We got shills out here. Everybody go vote no. Everyone go vote no now. AMC 244. AMC warrants 29 or GameStop warrants 290. GameStop 2158. Let's go. GameStop coming back to the upside. Bitcoin decoupling. Bitcoin decoupling. Let's get it. Double bot bottom. Bot bottom. ASST trying to hold key levels. First is a super. It's a super. It's a super. It's a super. First super of the day from Andrew. Let's get it. Homie, make sure we get a super. Homie, make sure we get a super.
As a non-professional trader, we appreciate the YouTuber streaming. We use a YouTube algorithm that follows about 50 YouTubers to assist our trades rocket.
Bro, we gotta work together. If we don't work together, how are we gonna win? Thank you for the super chat, bro. A lot of people will be mad that you gave me a super chat. I'm grateful, thank you. And then CeeLo with a gifted membership. Andrew Marks just got gifted a free membership. And thank you, brother, for the 15 months. Undercover 15-monther out here. Bro, I did not know you were a 15-month holder. Thank you, brother.
Let's go get this bread.
Thank you, CeeLo. 456. $456. Isn't that Ape? Was your name Ape before this? Are you Ape, bro? 456. I remember that. How does AMC pay off debt without shares to sell? AMC will never run if we don't get... I knew 456. I knew I remembered that. Thank you, bro. And AMC will never run if it gets more dilution. And Adam Aaron can pay off debt by cutting a salary, by cutting cost, closing theaters that are not profitable, like a regular businessman would. I know you're not hating. You're just asking questions. Nah, bro, you gotta cut cost. You gotta cut cost. And find different business revenue avenues like Ryan Cohen did. Not that I'm saying Ryan Cohen is the greatest, but Ryan Cohen didn't take salary. Ryan Cohen cut cost. Ryan Cohen found a different way to make money for GameStop. Instead of video games, he went to collectibles. Adam Aaron needs to do the same thing, except Adam Aaron keeps spending money. Adam Aaron keeps taking a huge salary. Adam Aaron's pay. Adam Aaron's pay for 2025 is $11 million. $11 million plus he gets shares. He shouldn't be getting paid nothing because our stock keeps going down, 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 down. He should be getting paid $0. Not happy about $25 million on a commercial, bro. On a commercial. 25 million. Bro's just spending. Bro spends more than a Democrat, bro. So we got to get him out of there. He doesn't know what to do with the capital. We give him money from the shares. We give him money. He already dumped shares. Aaron has already sold hundreds of millions of shares. We give him money for that, and he spends it. $25 million to Nicole Kidman because he has a crush. He probably pays Taylor Swift a bunch of money because he has a crush. He's a PDF file. Adam Aaron's a PDF file who has a crush on all these women, and that's why he gives them our money. He gives them our money. I want to see this Nuremberg movie too. I love World War II. Who's he supposed to be playing, Goebbels? This is about the Nuremberg trials. This is about the Nuremberg trials.
JK, really? Eskimos.
Hermann Göring. Okay, that's who he's playing, Hermann Göring. Russell Crowe is playing that. Yeah, it does look really good. I did not see. How did I miss that? Sorry, all-time high. Somehow I missed your super chat. Somehow I missed your super chat, bro. Thank you, all-time high, for our first super chat of the day.
Can we get TA on assistant, please? Thank you.
If I miss your super chat, guys, please let me know. ASST is bouncing, has gap fill to the upside. It's bullish. Want to see ASST back above $1.45. Thank you, all-time high. Hopefully you're still listening, brother. Guys, if I miss your super chat, let me know. Wait. Wasn't Heimlich Himmler second in command? Himmler was second in command. Heydrich Himmler was second in command, not the other dude, right? Or am I tripping? He was the fourth. I know all of this. This position combined made him the second most powerful man in Germany. Yeah. So this is a lie. This is a lie. Hermann Göring was like number 3. But this says it was second in command. That might be true. But Himmler's combined position made him more powerful. And you guys can't forget about Heydrich. DZ was second in command. We can't forget about Heydrich. Lit. Friday vibes in the chat. I love this vibe. I love the vibe in the chat right now. We're vibing. Have you guys ever seen the movie Flight with Denzel Washington? It's Zelly's birthday? Oh, happy Friday. Lottery stocks exposed himself, bro. This is not 100% confirmed, but I heard through the grapevine. I gotta find the clip, though, to confirm it. I gotta find the clip to confirm it. Did you guys ever see the movie Flight with Denzel Washington? It's right here. I was watching it last night, but then I fell asleep. Oh, can I show that? There's about to be boobs on my screen because in that scene there's boobies. Good thing I didn't click on, bro, there's about to be boobies on the screen. In that scene there's boobies, like right after that scene, bro. Landed a plane legally drunk. Bro, he was high too on the yay. Bro, if I put boobies on my live stream, I'll get banned, brother. Guys, can we make it to 100 likes today? Somehow we have one brand new member and 82 likes. We might make it. GME new high of the day? Okay, new intraday high. Let's go. Enjoy the festival, brother. GameStop new intraday high, 2162. SPY's at 666, its favorite number.
Yo, 14, you got another.
Yeah, SPY's definitely about to push up. Inverse head and shoulders. RSI got oversold. SPY's about to full bounce. SPY's about to full bounce. Information in the day trade chat. Information in the day trade chat. SPY's about to full bounce. Lottery stocks always seem sketch. Facts. I try to tell people. Did UBS close? I don't think so. I just be telling the truth. Bitcoin's pulling back a little bit. But this is okay. RSI got overbought. Let it consolidate and then push up. ASST coming into the gap fill. ASST gap fill to the upside. DZ, can you even see my comments about the lottery stock video? No. What comments? Please tell me. Anyone with this many cars doesn't deserve to have that many cars. How many cars can one person drive? Regretting you a night of no regrets. That just sounds so horrible. It might be better to email me on or hit me up on X, bro, because my Discord is like packed full of messages. Oh my God, we're actually getting a lot of comments, dude. Holy shit. ASST gap fill is sitting at 143 to 146. We are getting a ton of comments. We have 100 people in the building. We have 90 likes, 90 likes, 90 likes, 10 more likes for a hundo. One brand new member. GameStop pushing up even higher, guys. GameStop pushing up even higher. Guys, I want to thank you. We got over 1,100 views on yesterday's video. Over 1,100 views on yesterday's video. Thank you so much for that. $91 likes. We're heading towards 100, baby. Guys, I'm on the dark web right now. I kid you not, I'm on the dark web right now. I am literally on the dark web. This is the hidden wiki where you can find all links to the dark web. And if I click any of these, it'll take me to the website. And if I show you guys my IP address right now, it will say I'm somewhere else. So watch this. You see how it says my IP address right here? It says I'm in Germany. You see how it says I'm in Germany? I'm trying to pull up a better website so you guys can see. It might not load through the browser. GameStop still trying to put in a new intraday high. Bitcoin definitely decoupling, guys. Bitcoin new intraday high, 102,900. TMI, brother.
I farted and a poopy almost slipped.
Bitcoin is putting in new highs, guys. Friday vibes on the DZ stream, man. Friday vibes on the DZ stream. Do you guys think Bitcoin's going, or GameStop's going up because Bitcoin's going up? $30 minutes till power hour. 30 minutes till power hour. Alright, we need one more like for 100 likes. GameStop is pushing up, guys. GameStop is pushing up. Why can't I like short videos anymore? Are likes disabled from short videos? What the heck is going on? I realize my views are not bad, guys. My views are good. There's people with more subscribers that get less views than me. And compared to some other YouTubers, if I had more subscribers, I would get the same, if not more. That's all thanks to you guys, my dedicated community that watch all of my content. If you are one of the people out there that watch my videos, my live streams, my shorts, you watch everything, I thank you so much, because that helps me out so much. And I truly appreciate you guys. I hope I provide value in your lives. GameStop is pushing up, guys. GameStop is pushing up. 2169, new intraday high. GameStop 2169. Intraday high. Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Let's go. What up? What up? Ed B in the building. Spy pushing up. I told you guys I called out the targets in the Discord. Inverse head and shoulders, SPY. Inverse head and shoulders, SPY playing out. Spy pumping as predicted. Targets were called in the Discord. RSI is getting hot. Resistance is at 66824. Great job. Great job just sending gifted membership. Thank you so much, bro. I appreciate you. Dude, that's big. Thank you.
Dude, thank you for the gifted membership, bro. That's gonna be 2 brand new members. Thanks to people like you, the stream can continue forever, bro. Thank you. That also helps give back to the community. Marco, you just got gifted a free membership. Yeah, bro, I really appreciate that, dude. Thank you. Whoa! Okay, hold on. Guys, look at this. Out of nowhere, Todd, all-time high, And Jackson with 10 gifted Friday vibes. Friday vibes, y'all. Mega Friday vibes. And SPY is ripping, guys. SPY is ripping. I called it out in the Discord. I said load up the calls, baby. I said it in the Discord. Calls could be played. And look at SPY. I told you SPY was setting up for a nice move, inverse head and shoulders. SPY setting up for a nasty move, inverse head and shoulders. Army bro! Guys, thank you for this. The haters will be mad. Hype in the chat right now. Hype in the chat right now. Hype in the chat right now.
Hey DZ, what's the gap fill price for assistant? I'm not on comp ATM. Hey DZ, can you check Gree for me?
Hype in the chat right now.
Fuck you.
And the gap fill price for ASST. Gap fill price for ASST. Gap is filled. Gap is filled. Gap is filled. Gap is filled. ASST holding $1.50 will be huge. ASST holding $1.50 will be huge. ASST's fine. Bitcoin's pumping. The market is recovering. The market is recovering in a big way. I told you guys in the Discord calls could be played. Thank you guys for the 10 freaking gifted Jackson. Thank you, Todd, 5150. And thank you, Army Bro. Huge. Huge. Let's get some hype in the chat. We just got a massive hype train. Let's get some hype in the chat. We had Army Bro. Jackson with the 10 gifted, massive 10 gifted. That's huge. All-time high with the 5-piece, holding down the #1 crown. And Todd, always holding it down, bro. Thank you. Did not expect that for today. This stock is way overbought on the daily time frame. If you're in it now, you need to take profits immediately. Stock is extremely overbought on the daily time frame. If you're in it now, you need to take profits immediately. It's overbought on the weekly time frame as well. So you need to be taking profits immediately. If it comes back inside of the bands, I'm pretty sure it's outside of the bands. If it comes back inside the bands, you need to get out. I'd be taking profits. Lottery stock said he voted yes. It's not 100% confirmed. Someone needs to send me the clip. Someone needs to send me the clip right now, but through the grapevine on one of my videos, yesterday's videos, if you guys look in the comment section, and you guys can let me know how you feel about this. Frame. Also, but on this video here, through the grapevine, we see that lottery stocks. I don't know if I'm gonna say that. Your favorite boy lottery stocks voted yes on AMC dilution. And I'm saying, are you trolling? And he said it on his video today, which was yesterday's video. So apparently on yesterday's video, Lottery Stock said he voted yes. GameStop just pushed up to 2174. Did anybody get the spy calls from the Discord? Did anyone get spy calls from the Discord? I did call it out. AMC's down 6% at 244, correct. All right, good job. That's what I'm talking about. See the homie? The homie said, I said, did anyone get the spy calls? Someone came in, I don't want to put his business out there, said, yep, 200. Discord pays for itself. And this guy's been in the Discord for a minute. The Discord is well worth it. The Discord is well worth it. Bro made 200. And he's been in the Discord for a minute. So his Discord paid for itself. Discord is $100 for a lifetime invite. Hit me up on my email, DataZeroOfficial5. Payment made via PayPal or Cash App. Once you make payment, I'll send you the link to get in. I would be taking profits now, though. I gave targets in the Discord. So my targets were already hit. I called this out. I said we were going to be getting a nasty bounce. And I said calls could be played. And if AMC doesn't get the yes vote, it'll run out of cash. They burned $3 million this quarter. Yeah, because Adam Aaron keeps robbing the company, brother. And the whole board as well. The board gets paid a shit ton of money for doing nothing. AA shareholders are not tired of being used as a piggy bank. I am. I'm not voting yes, bro. I voted no. I already voted. Adam Aaron needs to cut his salary. Adam Aaron makes $11 million a year. Plus he gets shares. We just looked it up. Adam Aaron spent $25 million on a commercial. He's not paying down debt. He's using all of that money for other shit. Why can't people see that? We've already gave Adam Aaron to balloon the float. AMC's float in 2019 was 11 million shares. It was 11 million shares. That's why you could squeeze it. Now it's 550 million shares. And if it goes to 1 billion, you're never squeezing it, and the price is gonna drop so stupid. SPY RSI overbought 5-minute and 10-minute time frame. I think SPY's gonna recover decent here. RSI got overbought on the 2-hour time frame. So it was pretty oversold. I do apologize, oversold. I think we're gonna get a decent bounce up and then correct down. Guys, thank you for the support today, man. That really means a lot to me. If you guys want to support for free, you can just hit that like button and subscribe. If you guys want to support for free, you can hit that like button and subscribe. We're actually heading in the power hour. We might make 1,000. We might make 1,000 views. We might make 1,000 views. Got 100 people in the building. We'll see where we're at once we hit power hour. If we're at 800 plus views, we could definitely make it. 7 minutes till power hour. We're at 771 views. Everyone back out of the stream and come back in. Diluting when AMC is about to run should tell you everything you need to know. Exactly, bro. And they dilute every single time AMC is about to run. Every time AMC starts getting momentum, they dilute. If you look at the chart, I have it all documented. Adam Aaron sold shares here, and it could have ran higher. It started to run and get momentum. Adam Aaron sold shares here. It was about to have a market breaking short squeeze here before the reverse split. We had 30% short interest. We had hundreds of thousands of FTDs. I think it was like 495,000 FTDs. We were on the threshold security list for over 45 days. They couldn't short it. If they didn't get the dilution from Ape and the reverse split, AMC would have had a market breaking short squeeze right here. But then they converted Ape. They converted Ape. It was the Ape conversion. Boom, selling more shares. Bro said Ape was a dividend. How can you trust a man that always lies to you? Also, Adam Aaron said on Trade's interview, I'll never do a reverse split. I'll never split the stock, or I'll never do a stock split. He's done both of those things. He's not only done a reverse split, but he's done a stock split as well. And Adam Aaron said he would never do those two things. How can you trust a man that constantly lies to you? You can't. So anybody putting their faith in Adam Aaron is delusional. And I have proof, stuff you can't argue with. You can't argue with what I'm showing you. You cannot argue with what I'm showing you. It's logic. You keep diluting, the price is going to keep going down, 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 down. And if Adam Aaron gets 550 million more shares, I'm telling you right now, the price is going to go underneath $1. They're going to have to reverse split it. Boom, AMC becomes another Mullen. So motherfuckers are mad at me because I'm warning about it and I'm voting no with the shares that I have. That's my right to vote no. Just like it's your vote to write, or your right to vote whatever you want. But based off of my research, due diligence, and everything that I know about stocks, from 9+ years in the stock market, I've been here since 2016. I've been in stocks since 2016. So that's probably more experience and time in the stock market than a majority of people. Dilution is bad. And if they get another 550 million shares, it's a kill shot. I made a whole video explaining why. If you want to see the video explaining why, it's right here. I always keep it 100. So watch it. GameStop's at 2164, up 1.33% on the day. AMC's down 5. We were about to rally and shorted us crazy. SPY's at 669.43. It looks like it wants to continue up a little bit more. Inverse head and shoulders is in play. What did pop off? SPY looks like it's gonna recover a little bit. Bitcoin is definitely recovering. Bitcoin double bottom. Bitcoin's about to have a nasty double bottom. I wasn't gonna say nothing about super chats because apparently all I care about is super chats. I wasn't gonna say nothing about super chats or gifted memberships today. Nothing at all. And you guys just started coming through. I can't help it. Haters is gonna hate, bro. Haters are gonna hate. My community supports me, bro. They make money. It's a win-win for everybody, all right? If they want to give back to the community, that's on them. Can't hate them for that. Adam, Aaron, a hoe. So Bitcoin might do this double bottom here, which could send Bitcoin flying. Donut, which we've been watching, is up 8%, by the way. I'm telling you, this D-Nut stock's about to blow, bro. I'm telling you, bro. SPY's pumping because it got oversold. It's due for a bounce for sure. And I called this. Once we got oversold, and I called it in the Discord literally, I said, we're about to bounce stupid. I said, SPY's in the Discord, I said, we're about to bounce stupid. People even made bread. I know exactly what's about to happen. SPY's about to recover pretty good. I know SPY's about to recover pretty good. It's gonna pump and then dump back down. I already know. Oh shit! Oh no, another super chat. Sue me. Bro, the haters be getting mad, bro. Yesterday when we were on a hype train, they were like, all you care about
Another
is super
chat. Sue me. Rolling on the
only
floor
reason that
laughing, rolling
bothers
on
me
the
is
floor
'cause
laughing.
That's not true, bro. That's not how I am at all. Yo, thank you, DW, for another 10 piece, bro. You're crazy. Make the haters a little madder, bro. Hype in the chat. Hype in the chat. Hype in the chat. Wait a second. I still didn't drink my coffee for today. I'm gonna go get that. So SPY's gonna have resistance here at 669.59 and 67120. Oh shit. Todd with a 5 freaking gifted. Oh god, now we really are on a hype train. The man, the myth, the legend, Todd just came out with a 5 gifted. And DW came out with a 10 piece just to make the haters a little bit mad. And look what DW's 10 piece says. Thank you guys. What the freak? Let's turn it up, Friday vibes. Let's turn it up, Friday vibes, baby. Let's go.
Yeah, boy.
That's gonna put us, oh my God, stop it. You guys are getting crazy now. Okay, we're getting a little bit crazy now. Dr. Simple, KK, Tammy, Eddie, and Bruce Wright were just gifted 5 gifted from all-time high. 5 gifted from all-time high. We're getting crazy with it here. Hype train number 11, baby. Hype train number 11, baby. Let's go. Bitcoin pushing up. GameStop pushing up. All we need is Amy to push up to make today better. Oh my God. All right, so I gotta do some push-ups for this. This is getting too crazy. This is getting too crazy. All right, we gotta do some push-ups for this. Oh my God, 5150! 5150 just came in with a 10-piece. We're gonna do some push-ups. All right, so that was 50 push-ups, 50 clip, 50 clip. Get the hype in the chat, y'all. Get the hype in the chat. SPY RSI overbought. Take profit on calls. Take profit on calls right now.
Aloha bra. In Honolulu listening.
Let me grab my coffee real quick. All right.
All right, guys, thank you so much. Information for SPY in the day trade chat right now. Information for SPY in the day trade chat right now. Bitcoin pulling back after making new high of 103.4. Bitcoin pushing up 1% on the day. Bitcoin making a new high. ADA up 7.5%, guys. Ethereum up almost 3%. We just did 50 push-ups. Thank you for everything. Shout out 5150 listening from Hawaii. Yo, thank you guys. 5150 all-time high. Todd, DW, Army Bro, Jackson with the huge 10 gifted. All-time high with multiple super chats here. Great job with a gifted membership. 15 months. 8801 or 8456. 456 CeeLo. Andrew. Thank you guys. Whoa. Now you know the haters is pissed. Now you know the haters is pissed. We got 106 in the building, and we are officially in Power Hour now. We're trying to get 1,000 views if possible, so if you guys can share this live stream, if you guys can click on and off the live stream, close your app, and come back on, that would help. If you guys can hit share, that will help. But we're trying to get 1,000 views. I'm gonna share this on Webull real quick. All right, so we shared on Webull. SPY's gonna start pulling back, guys. SPY's gonna start pulling back. SPY's gonna start pulling back. Let's see if it takes GameStop with it. GameStop's been holding up. Bitcoin is definitely trying to hold on here. It could make a new intraday high here shortly. RSI is getting close to overbought on some of these lower time frames. Bigger time frames is overbought. So we're getting kind of frothy here on BTC. Getting kind of frothy here on BTC. $104 in the building, 117 likes. Thank you guys for helping me reach 100 plus likes on this Friday Vibes. 22 new members. 22 new members, and super chats is getting up there, guys. Thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you, thank you. God damn, yo. DZ fam just don't know when to quit. What the heck, man? You guys are wild. I never know what to expect. You guys went ham yesterday, so I was like, we're just gonna chill today. I'm not gonna say anything about supers because people were bitching yesterday. Because I was like, oh, I'm gonna do push-ups when I get a super chat. And then, so I was like, I'm not gonna say anything today. I don't care if we don't get anything. It's Friday, chill day. I knew I was gonna start the stream a little bit later than usual, which I did. Somehow, we are still somehow getting close to 1,000 views, which is what I normally try to shoot for at least in a day for a stream. And we might make it. We might make it. We're almost at 900. We might make it. I normally get about 200 views an hour, so we should make it. 200, 300 views an hour, so we should make it. And I just want to thank everybody. I want to thank everybody who showed up. I want to thank everybody who showed love. I appreciate you guys, man, for real. I don't know how any else way to say it. I'm not a very sentimental type of guy. So the most you'll get out of me is a thank you. Oh, we just got a new subscriber. Whoa! Man, I wish I could celebrate with you guys. I'll light one up right now, man. I'll light one up right now with you guys if I could. I've seen other YouTubers do it, but I'm not trying to do that. Even if you don't get in trouble, I'm trying to be at least brand friendly, you know what I mean? So I'm trying to cuss less too. Cuss less. Thank you. Thank you guys. You just have been getting a lot of support, so I appreciate it. All right, GameStop's pulling back a little bit here, guys. Unfortunately, GameStop is pulling back. AMC might be making a bear flag. It could actually come down even more. My God. SPY pulling back as expected. SPY pulling back as expected. Discord callouts are crazy. The Discord callouts are crazy. Make sure you guys keep your eye on the day trade chat if you're day trading SPY or any other stocks. But I'm constantly updating the Discord while we're live and giving call outs that I don't call out here. And specifics that I don't call out here. So that in conjunction with this is like I give out specific levels and stuff like that in the Discord. D-Nut is a chase right now, but I do think it could go up long term. I think it's about to make a move up long term. I like ASST. ASST's up 1% on the day right now. Want to see it hold 145, 150. SPY is definitely pulling back. I gave out targets in the Discord. SPY is definitely pulling back. SPY is going to have support coming up here at 668, 23, 24. That's going to be SPY's first support. So it pulled back just like we said it would here. This line, this is the SPY pullback we're looking for, down to this line. And it came right down to that line. Don't let anyone ever tell you you can't read charts. They're lying. CoffeeZilla swears technical analysis isn't real. I just cuss naturally. It's not because I'm angry. It's just something a bad habit that I got. It keeps trying to tell me to run commercials, but I'm not running commercials. I'm trying to get views. We're at 922 views. Everybody share the stream. We're going to get 1,000. We're going to get 1,000. We're so close. Call outs have paid for the Discord. Just saying, be smart, not greedy. Yeah, if you can't, dude, if you get $100 for a lifetime invite and can't make your money back, especially in my Discord, that's insane. You make the money back times 50. That's why I get so many super chats. That's what people don't understand. They're like, oh, he gets so many super chats. Because my community is making a lot of money. and they're grateful. We're a different type of community. We're a tight-knit community. We help each other. It's not like other YouTube communities, bro. Our community's not like other YouTube communities. We are very tight-knit. Other people in the community talk to each other. We help each other. It's a positive vibe type place where like everybody want to see everybody grow. And it's not like, people have even said my Discord's different because other people's Discord is just like a free-for-all. And everybody flexing on everyone else on the gains they can get. My Discord, you have people trying to help people get money. Real recognize real, bro. SPY is definitely about to pull back. Red MACD 5-minute time frame. If it keeps that, it's gonna dump in the close. You don't even trade stocks? Do you hold stocks? Do you hold stocks? Or are you just watching my channel just cuz? Cause I don't know. Is there anybody who watches my channel just because? There's no way. Everybody that watches my channel has to deal with either stocks or crypto. If I could find one person who just watches my channel just because, that would be insane. Crypto, this is the place to be. I called Bitcoin. Bro, I called every Bitcoin move, bro. I'm not even trying to sound like egotistical right now. I literally did do this shit. Every Bitcoin move that we seen, I called it out. From the bottom at 15K, when everyone was telling us it's gonna go to 3K, I said, nah, Bitcoin's about to go to 70K, 80K. And I called for it to break out of the falling wedge. We had the fractal. And we hit every one of my Bitcoin price targets, 115K, 125K, and then 80K and 100K. This was by 2025, and this was by 2026. So I had everything mapped out. I said 80 or 100K by 2024, 2025, and 125K, 115K by 2026. We hit both. Nastiest falling wedge I've ever seen, by the way. I love Bitcoin for that. That was the nastiest falling wedge I've ever seen. Then we had the bull flag, and then we had another falling wedge. Thank you, Bitcoin. Just watching because lottery stocks isn't on? Haha. Does he even go live though? Wait, Beyond Meat's coming back up. Could be a dead cat bounce. There's still a gap fill to the downside. Be careful. Nah, I don't see no falling wedge on BTC, bro. Can anyone confirm that Lottery Stocks did say he was voting yes? I wonder how many people got trapped in Beyond Meat. GameStop, unfortunately, does have some gap fills to the downside. It's going to need to fill those. AMC's at 243. GameStop's at 21.50. We held $20, man. I tell you, we're not going to lose $18 to $20. We're going to hold. Bitcoin's up almost 1.25. Bitcoin is up almost 1.25 right now, guys. Let's go. Altcoins are seeing gains. Gains. He said in yesterday's video at the 725 mark.
$1.50 support level, in which case I'm watching for a rejection around 260 before we move lower, ultimately towards 215 to 230 as the market crashes lower, because that is my bearish bias alongside GameStop, which we'll talk about in 1 second. But they beat estimates, but you can see right here, cash and cash equivalents at September 30th, 2025 was $365.8 million. Guys, that is not a lot. Okay, let me tell you, please listen. If shareholders, and you know it's a bad position to be in, if shareholders vote no on the dilution in December, which as of right now where I stand is a yes, and I'll explain in 1 second. No.
Let me hear that one more time.
As of right now, where I stand is a yes, and I'll explain in 1 second.
Oh my God! Oh my God! What is he doing? Hold on, let me hear it one more time.
No on the dilution in December, which as of right now where I stand is a yes, and I'll explain in 1 second. Don't click off the video. If we
Guys, we got to make a video about this. Ladies and gentlemen, I have some heartbreaking news. We have another fallen AMC YouTuber. RIP lottery stocks. Moment of silence. Guys, check this out. So here in this video, Lottery Stocks exposes himself and says that he is at this point looking at a yes vote. Judges, play the clip.
Which, as of right now, where I stand is a yes, and I'll explain in 1 second. Don't click off the video. If we vote no on the dilution in December, which, as of right now, where I stand is a yes, and I'll explain. Tell you, please listen. If shareholders, and you know it's a bad position to be in, if shareholders vote no on the dilution in December, which, as of right now, where I stand is a yes, and I'll explain in 1 second. Don't click off the video. If we vote no, AMC will run out of cap.
That's not my problem, buddy. Adam Aaron should have managed it more clearly, bro. They ain't using me for no piggy bank no more, bro. Guys, what do you think this means? Is it all over for lottery stocks? Is he gonna vote yes? Let me know in the comments down below. What are you voting? And let me know, do you believe can AMC squeeze if we have a float of 1.1 billion? This is crazy, ladies and gentlemen. Like and subscribe for more. Peace. Yeah, I'm posting that shit right now. So he said he's voting. He said he's voting yes at this point in time. Which, bro, Adam Aaron, they could sell HYMC. Nobody's even talking about any of the other options. There was HYMC details in the filing. I should have highlighted those. There was HYMC details in the filing. They could sell their HYMC. Why are they still sitting on that? Was it? Where did I find that? They need to cut costs dramatically. I'm not your piggy bank. And that if people don't understand, if we do get the yes vote, we're gonna have to go underneath $1. We're gonna get reverse split. You can't have more shares. You gotta figure something else out. That's your job as management and the board, instead of paying yourself millions of dollars to do nothing. Come on, where's the HYMC? There was details in here about HYMC. And I need to know exactly what it said. Wouldn't that be on the balance sheet? Wouldn't it already be in the debt reduction?
You made the float from 11 million up to 550 million. You're a disgrace, Adam Aaron. You spent $25 million on a commercial just to give Nicole Kidman a huge paycheck because you're on her gun. Like, come on, bro. What is wrong with you? And then you want more money from us, even though you spend recklessly? Right here, investment income during 3 months ended. Interest income of 2.3 million increases. Estimate fair value of our investment in common shares. So they have shares. They have shares 7.3 million. $7.3 million. And I know they have warrants too. They have shares and warrants. Fair value of 10 million. Investment in our warrants purchase 2 million. $4.6 million. 0.3 million. Of 1.7 million. HYMC is sitting at $7.50 per share right now. Use something else. Cut cost. Take profits on Highcroft mining. Cut your salary. If I was Adam Aaron, I would come out to everyone and say, apes, I make a promise to you that today things are gonna change. And I'm not taking a single dollar in pay until AMC is fixed. That's what I would do as a CEO. I would tell you guys, I'm not taking a single dollar from this company until we get the debt paid. And no, we're not diluting. We're gonna do it the right way. Oh my God. Guys, thank you so much. 16,520 subscribers. And then everybody keeps saying it's a shitty position to be in. It's a shitty position to be in. You know who put us in this position? Adam Aaron. So why are you trusting him with your money? You know who lied to you about a reverse split? Adam Aaron. You know who said they would never reverse split or stock split the stock and did it? Adam Aaron. You know who said APE was a dividend when it was actually senior convertible notes? Adam Aaron. Which we should have won that lawsuit because of that shit. Guys, AMC's been a shit show. I'm sorry. I know it's gonna sound corny, but the best thing about AMC is the people I met along the way, the community that we built along the way, all of this DZ family that we built coming together. You know what I mean? That's That's what made this journey worth it. And of course, all of the knowledge I gained along the way as well. Bro said, no, I wouldn't. How do you know I wouldn't? That's exactly what I would do. I would take no pay. And I would fix AMC. I would have let AMC squeeze and then took profits or sold shares way up and then paid off the debt. Bitcoin is pumping, guys. Bitcoin is pumping right now. Bitcoin is up almost 2% on the day, 1.80% right now. Bitcoin new intraday high, 103,800. I repeat, 103,800. We have 15 minutes remaining. 15 minutes remaining, guys. Thank you guys for an incredible Friday live stream. Over 115 people in the building right now. 129 likes. 22 brand new members, which is huge. And over 1,000 views. We did break 1,000 views. We haven't even been live that long. It's a Friday live stream. We've only been live for 3 hours. We've only been live for 3 hours. We broke 1,000 views. 115 people in the building. 129 likes. Multiple super chats. 22. I repeat, 22 brand new members, which is crazy. Thank you, guys. Thank you for everything. I appreciate it. Yeah, Bitcoin's coming back. XRP's coming back. Altcoins are coming back. For sure. For sure, bro. XRP right now sitting at 236.
If shareholders vote no on the dilution in December, which as of right now where I stand is a yes, and I'll explain in 1 second. Don't click off the video.
So Lottery Stocks, guys, if you haven't heard, said he's voting yes. Lottery Stocks, if you haven't heard, said he's voting yes. Bitcoin new intraday high. Bitcoin new intraday high. Bitcoin new intraday high. 103,800. Let's go. GameStop 2150, AMC 242, SPY 669, 87. So we got that pullback we were looking for, then SPY got a bounce. We got that pullback we were looking for, then SPY got a bounce off of the support of 668.24. SPY moving to the upside, guys. SPY moving to the upside right now. Be careful. I think SPY might recover a little bit before crumbling down more, but SPY did get a red week as predicted, guys. SPY red week as predicted. Beyblade, let it rip. I love it. 118 in the building. Thank you. You could have been in any other live stream, but you chose to be here. Hit that like button and subscribe to support for absolutely free. Unsubscribing to lottery stocks now if he votes yes? Dang, that'd be crazy if he started losing subscribers. We just hit 130 likes. Thank you very much, everybody. What a stream for a Friday. Heck yeah. All right, SPY looking a little iffy here. Just be careful. Could pull back a little bit in the close if it doesn't hold these key levels. The only reason it would go bankrupt is because Adam Aaron drove it to bankruptcy. This is exactly what the short sellers wanted. That way they can make it go to zero and never have to cash out. That's the only way out. But it seems like GameStop's not going to let him go because Ryan Cohen ain't playing that shit. Whoa. We thought it was over, but it's not over till it's over. It's not over until it's over. We thought it was over. But it's not over until it's over, baby. Andrew with another gifted membership. Putting us at what? 23 new members. Alex Hill, you just got gifted a free membership. Alex Hill, you just got gifted a free membership from Andrew, putting us at 23 new members now. It is not over until it's over. Andrew is going crazy right now. 9 minutes remaining. 9 minutes remaining. Whoa! New highs. New highs. Guys, we just got to 16,521 subscribers. We just hit new highs on the channel. You win some, you lose some, you gain them. They go away. But as long as the overall trend is up, and that's what we're seeing here, overall uptrend. Let's go. Let's go, ladies and gentlemen. Overall uptrend. You guys can see there's some pullbacks, but we are trending up. Wow. Shout out to the new subscribers. Truly appreciate you, for real. It's a great way to help the channel for absolutely free. And you guys can see we're a tight-knit community around here. Join the DZ fam today. Like and subscribe. We are a tight... AMC dumping. AMC dumping. AMC fucking dumping. AMC dumping. I thought this might be a bear flag. I thought this might be a bear flag. AMC dumping, bear flag. AMC dumping, bear flag. We are going to be coming down, guys. We are going to be coming down in a big way. I told you if we lost 140 or 150 or 250, we would be dumping hard. That was our key level that we needed to hold. AMC did have that bear flag in play. We are dumping down, drop down, bearish consolidation, another drop down, unfortunately. AMC bear flag in play. This is horrific. This is absolutely horrific. I'm gonna have to go way back here to find support. This is ridiculous. $238 was AMC's all-time low, so if we go lower than that, that's crazy. Now, if you guys notice, though, when we do get beat down like this, you could see a spring to the upside. I do want to keep that in mind. Yeah, SPY's going to rip up, dude. I'm telling you guys, SPY's going to recover hard before crashing back down. SPY's going to come, like, way back up here, dude. I'm telling you. It's going to come, like, way back up here before crashing down. So SPY's gonna come way up before crashing down because it got oversold. SPY almost went fucking green on the day. Holy smokes. Holy smokes. $122 in the building. $122 in the building right now. Unreal. Friday vibes. $1,100 views. AMC down 7% for no reason. SPY green on the day. SPY is green on the day. It's okay to be disappointed. You guys can vent your disappointment with AMC here. Vent your frustrations. It's fine. Vent your frustrations. That's quite all right. You can vent your frustrations, guys. It's okay. I'll keep covering the stock. I'll keep covering the technicals. But I don't know if I can keep holding. The money can go other places that it could make money. That capital can be deployed other places where I can get bread. SPY's making a crazy bounce, guys. SPY's going to recover pretty decently before coming back down. Two minutes remaining. I'll break down everything else in the weekly outlook and prediction for SPY, Bitcoin, and everything that we're looking at now, guys. I'll break it down in the weekly outlook and prediction, but SPY is ripping. SPY is ripping. SPY is ripping 670, 68, 670, 68. If you guys got calls from the Discord, man, you're printing. If you guys got that call from the Discord, you're printing right now. Discord pays for itself. Hit me up on my email, DataZeroOfficial5, linked in the comment section description. Hit me up on my email if you want to get in the Discord. $100 for a lifetime invite pays for itself.
Bitcoin at 103,700 right now. Ethereum 3,400. Cardano ADA 58 cents, up almost 8% on the day. XRP sitting at 236. GME 2150. AMC 239. AMC dumping down at a bear flag. AMC dumping down at a bear flag. AMC all-time low 238. Hopefully find support there. One minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. 1 minute remaining. Market is closed, market is closed, market is closed, market is closed, market is closed. GameStop closing at 2150. GameStop warrants closing at 285. AMC closing at 240. SPY closing green on the day at 670.92. NASDAQ was still red on the day, but did get a bounce. NASDAQ filling some of those gaps like we thought it would. Lots of gaps to the upside. NASDAQ's going to fill those gaps and then continue down. I'll break it down in the weekly outlook of prediction. Strive sitting at 151, beautiful. ASST sitting at 151, beautiful, looking good, like it's going to continue to the upside. In my personal opinion, I'll break it down. Bitcoin $103,500 right now, up 1.5% on the day. Possible double bottom forming. I'll break that down in the weekly outlook of prediction on Sunday. Make sure you guys tune in for that. Ethereum sitting at $3,458. Cardano ADA 58 cents. XRP currently sitting at 235. Ladies and gentlemen, this was your Friday week daily stream from Datazero, man. If you guys want to help support the channel, hit that like button, subscribe on the way out. Over 1,100 views. Over 1,100 views. Peak of over 125 people. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you guys for everything. Crazy today. We also had 137 likes and 23, I repeat, 23 new members and multiple super chats. Make sure you guys make a prediction on the poll right now. Make a prediction on the poll right now. I'll be ending the poll in just a few minutes. I always hit like 65%. I will like now 24%. Bitcoin, please decouple 11%. 113 votes. Thank you guys. Make sure you guys have a great weekend. Relax. Try to get yourself away from the charts for the weekend. Come back fresh next week. SPY ripping here in after hours. AMC getting a slight bounce. Try to get away from the charts, guys. Try to get away from the charts. Relax. Make sure you guys have a great weekend. Thank you, Zelly. I appreciate that. Like and subscribe on the way out to help support. 140 likes. Thank you. Did some good numbers, man, especially for a short stream. We've only been live for about 3.5 hours. We're a little short about 3.5 hours. Thank you guys for everything. Make sure you tune in for the weekly outlook prediction on Sunday. And most of all, have fun. Stay safe. Make money. Peace out, fam. I will, Dexter. I appreciate you. See you, fam. Peace. Much love.